How to change app icons on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Play Store and then simply search for icon changer. Then install any of these. You can use this application to change the icon, or the next option what you can do is go to your home screen, tap and hold on it, then go to themes, go to check out my stuff, and then if you go to icons, and here if you have downloaded any kind of icon from your Samsung or Galaxy store, you will be able to change the icon. So yeah, that's how you do it. You can also use this icon changer application, agree to its terms and policy, and then all you have to do is simply search for any kind of icon and then apply it to your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.